Welcome to our review on whether or not Tate's Woodworking is a scam. If you are interested in woodworking, you may have heard of this popular product which promised to provide access to over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects. But is it too good to be true? In this video, we'll take a closer look at Tate's Woodworking and examine some of the claims made about it in order to help you decide if it's the right investment for you. Tate's Woodworking is a product created by Tate McGrath, a professional woodworker and a teacher. According to the product's website, it offers access to over 16,000 plans for a wide variety of woodworking projects, including furniture, shades, decks, and more. The plans are said to be easy to follow and suitable for woodworkers of all skill level. The product website makes a number of claims about the benefit of using Tate's Woodworking. Some of the main claim includes over 16,000 plans to choose from, with detailed step-by-step instruction and diagram. Access to a member-only website where you can download plans and ask for help from other members. Plans that are suitable for woodworkers of all skill level from beginners to expert. Money back guarantee. Despite these claims, there have been some criticism of Tate's Woodworking. Some woodworkers have claimed that the plans provided by the product are poorly written and difficult to follow, while others have pointed out that many of the plans can be found for free online. Additionally, some customers have complained that they did not receive the promised money back guarantee when they requested it. While Tate's Woodworking may have some merits, it is also important to be aware of the criticism and to approach the product with a degree of caution. It is also important to remember that many of the plans offered by Tate's Woodworking can be found for free online, so it may not be worth the cost to access them through this product. So I have provided a discounted link of Tate's Woodworking plans in the description of this video, which is the official website of Tate's Woodworking, okay, and that is the discount that you will find nowhere else. Additionally, make sure to read the terms of refund policy before making any purchases. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Tate's Woodworking is up to you and should be based on your individual needs and circumstances. Thanks for watching. We hope this video have helped you to decide whether or not Tate's Woodworking is the right investment for you. Remember to always do your research and consider your own need and circumstances before making any purchases. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.